A lot can happen in today's challenging production environments. Fragmented supply chains and out-of-stock items can lead to unplanned downtime, reduced productivity, and increased costs. RS Solutions is here to help you make it right, with a portfolio of solutions to match every business need. Plan, predict, and prevent issues on the line with end-to-end RS maintenance solutions. You'll always have the right parts to hand, in the racking bins or in digital vending machines, with on-site RS inventory solutions. When you need visibility and control over ordering, RS Purchasing Manager is the ideal solution. We integrate with e-procurement platforms and ERP systems for a seamless digital procurement experience. And with over 500,000 products available at our Connect Point kiosks, all you have to do is touch and it's yours. And with custom kitting, order consolidation and environmentally friendly eco-totes, our delivery solutions will get it to you ready to work. And because we are where you are, you can get it quick, in store or with same-day or next-day delivery from 17 outlets across the UK and Ireland. RS Plus combines all our services to identify and integrate the most effective combination of solutions for your site, helping to drive efficiencies and accelerate your business's productivity. Whatever you want, whenever you need it, RS Solutions makes sure it's there, helping you consolidate spend, maximize uptime, reduce total cost of ownership, and stay operationally excellent.